Huawei IFA 2018.
I think the 970 was already a big step last year, and the 980 is an even bigger improvements from all the learnings from the 970. So 7 nanometers, smaller chips, more energy efficient, higher power, smaller. So I think Huawei is on the right way. It's very successful and it's blowing up in sales. So there you can see that they're doing it right.
They're using AI to make your phone better. And that's one of the things that AI is very good at, recognizing patterns. And that's the kind of stuff that I like.
Okay, a good smartphone needs to be powerful. It needs to bring the best possibilities from connected world. It has to be fast, it has to be beautiful, and good camera also is very important. I think that Huawei is one of the brands that supports everything I said.
The camera is amazing. The processor, I think, is one of the fastest at the moment.
The slow motion is amazing. And the design is really good.
I like the comfy hands. It needs to be comfy in hand.
You know, I think you pick it up and you want to try it, you want to experience it. Oh wow, it's really light. It's a nice size too. And the screen is really crisp as well. I really like the leather back as well. It's like that kind of copper accent. It's really nice against the leather back. It's like, ooh, this is special. This is a bit magic.
I think AI is going to improve how we use our smartphones a lot in the future.
You want to control your home not just by the phone but also by the assistant. You can control it by the voice, and it's easier life for us.
See right now at their devices, if you have a look at them, they go more premium and premium. So they have a long range of products for all kinds of budgets, and they're improving every year.